Hi everyone, welcome to Crystal Flare. I'm Emily, and today we're making something playful and sparkly, a Spider Suncatcher. Whether you're into Halloween crafts, quirky gifts, or unique window decor, this one's full of personality and shimmer. Let's get started. Before we begin, here are all the materials you'll need. Feel free to pause the video here to check everything carefully. If you'd like to use the exact materials I'm using, I've put together a DIY kit for this project. You can find the link in the description below. Step 1. Make the spider's head and body with a head pin. Take one head pin. Start by sliding the smaller crystal bead onto the pin. This will be the spider's head. Then, slide the larger crystal bead directly beneath it to form the abdomen. Push the beads close together so the body looks neat and secure. Now leave about 1 to 1.5 centimeters of wire at the top. Use round nose pliers to bend this part into a loop, called an eye loop, or wrap it around itself to lock the beads in place. This loop will allow you to attach a keychain, chain, or fishing line for hanging. Quick tip: always slide the smaller bead first so that the head stays at the top when the spider is hanging upside down. It keeps the proportions just right. Step 2. Prepare the spider legs. Now let's build the legs. Cut 8 pieces of thin craft wire, each about 10 to 12 centimeters long. You can go shorter or longer depending on how big you want the spider to be. Fold each wire in half and twist it gently once to hold the shape. Next, lay the entire bundle of legs across the gap between the head and body, right on the head pin. Wrap them around the pin 1 to 2 times to secure. If needed, wrap a separate small wire tightly underneath the head to lock everything in place. Separate the 8 wires into 2 groups, 4 on the left and 4 on the right. Now, start threading small crystal beads onto each leg. You can mix colors, patterns, or keep things uniform, whatever you prefer. Leave about 1 centimeter of wire at the tip to form the spider's feet. Use round nose pliers to curl a small loop at the end of each leg to keep beads from slipping off. Creative tip: try using alternating bead colors to mimic a real spider's pattern, or go full fantasy with rainbow legs. Do the same for the other legs. Attach a hanging loop. Now that your spider is assembled, let's turn it into a hanging decoration. Slip a jump ring through the top loop of the head pin. Add a short chain, nylon thread, or fishing line, whatever you prefer for hanging. You can even attach it to a key ring or ornament hook. If you'd like, add extra crystal beads or small charms to the chain for added sparkle. Extra hint: use crystal chain or metallic thread to create a dangling web. It makes your spider look like it's floating in light. Shape the spider legs. Here comes the fun part: shaping. Use your fingers or pliers to gently bend each leg into a V shape, or curve them naturally to look like the spider is crawling or resting. Trim off any extra wire if the legs feel too long or heavy. Adjust them as needed so both sides look symmetrical and balanced. Pro tip: don't worry if each leg isn't identical. A little variation makes your spider feel more lifelike. And that's it. Your crystal spider is complete. Hang it by a window, dangle it from your car mirror, clip it to your bag, or use it as a cute Halloween ornament. It catches light beautifully and brings a fun, unexpected sparkle to any space. Thanks so much for crafting with me today. If you had fun making this sparkly spider, feel free to leave a comment, share your version with a friend, and subscribe to Crystal Flair for more creative DIYs. You did amazing, and as always, keep shining.